E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada, participe da comunidade do Discord. Também quem estiver vendo pela Twitch, participe do canal principalmente do YouTube, que é Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Participe do meu canal, pessoal que estiver visualizando aí pela Twitch. Meu canal principal, Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Se inscrevam lá, quem gostar das gameplay. Tem a playlist completa das partes passadas aí do Red Dead 2. Bom galera, hoje nós vamos continuar aqui as aventuras de Arthur Morgan. Nós vamos continuar de onde nós parou na última parte, que é do rancho dos Braithwaite e dos Grey aqui. Hoje nós vamos fazer umas missões, continuar o modo história. Na parte passada exploramos a parte da lagoa aqui, né? Pescaria, atividade de pesca, tudo. Hoje nós vamos dar continuidade aos trabalhos aqui no jogo. Peço que quem estiver gostando, deixa um like, compartilhe o vídeo. Quem estiver vendo pelo YouTube. E é isso aí, vamos dar continuidade aqui à playlist gameplay do Red Dead Redemption 2. Vamos ver o que temos para hoje aqui, modo história. Vou começar o modo história aqui. Vou fazer duas missões principais. Umas missões em aberto, né, que eu fiquei devendo. Hoje não vai esperar o jogo carregar aqui. Hoje vai ser mais a parte de continuação do modo história. As partes de exploração fizemos muito na semana passada. Vou fazer algumas missões secundárias, ficou em aberto aqui. Opa, Arthur com esse chapéu. A parte de pesca, pesquei muito aqui, ó. Antes de começarmos, vamos pescar aqui. Opa, já pesquei um peixe. É dos grandes, hein? Opa! Lutar com eles. Vamos ver aqui, itens.
Arthur.
Trocar de roupa. Pera aí, Dutch. A nossa roupa clássica. remédio potente. Será que eu tenho aqui? Já pego um remédio potente. Isca de predadores. Pera aí, eu não peguei o Leandro. Pera aí. Eu vou pegar pro Charlie Xavier pra terminar essas tarefas esquisitas.
Room by the fire here, Mr. Morgan.
Meu cavalo, cadê ele?
Yeah.
Pera aí. Salve o Leandro. Caramba, onde que tá isso aqui? Vou fazer algumas missões secundárias, deixa eu ver aqui primeiro. Ah, eu acho que é aqui, ó.
Yeah.
Vamos lá, canário. Eu usei o Leandro que eu tinha pegado na parte passada. Muitas coisas eu vou botar prioridade nisso. E agora, o que que é?
Please, friend. You gotta help me out here. Come on, please. I'm about done here. If I don't get these shackles off soon, I'm a goner. Please.
This is crazy.
Just shoot the shackles. One bullet, that's all.
There you go.
Oh, thank God. Oh, well, I have waited to hear that noise for so long.
Yeah,
I can't give you more than
bet.
my thanks. But you surely have that, mister.
I'll take it. Hey, boy. Just keep out of sight for a bit.
Oh, I intend to.
É, fica escondido aí, meu amigão.
Look out!
Ai, ai, deixa o modo livre aqui, continuar. Legal o modo cinema.
Take more than that, boy.
Alguma coisa do canário. Vamos lá pegar esse óleo, Leandro.
Easy, boy. Yeah. Settle down, boy. Yeah.
Deixa eu ver esse aqui. Aqui, ó. Tem mais aqui? Então é isso aqui que o Charles e o coisa que é, não é? O Xavier e o Saliva ou Leandro.
Yep. Time to go, boy. Yep.
Eu vou passar em Rose e pagar minha recompensa também. Vamos aproveitar e fazer essa missão da Black Belle.
Hey, I'd keep moving if I was you. What did I tell you? Get the hell out of here. Calm down. Maybe you can help us.
Ah, ela tá por aqui, ó.
Slow up now.
Jim Boy Calloway, uma das últimas caçadoras, né? Arrumar minha arma que o bicho vai pegar aqui. Ela mora aqui então nesses aposentos. Shadberry.
You there?
Oh, hello?
Oh, calma, calma.
Hunter?
Well, not right now, I ain't. You
No
Black
momento não
Belle?
sou.
I'd like to
That
talk to
Black
you
Belle?
about your Wild West days.
I don't care much for
Não me
reminiscing.
importo muito com
You got any
reminência.
friends as
Shadberry?
bounty hunters?
None that spring to mind.
Não que eu me lembro.
Well, then you done led them boys here and you
Oh.
none the wiser.
Oh não, caçador de
Those
recompensa.
bounty hunters.
Knew my luck had run out sooner or sooner.
Well, get inside. I'll tell him you're gone.
Oh, no.
Oh não.
I ain't hiding from them scalp hunters. Not running from them neither. And fighting? Yeah, if it's just me against them, that'd be a waste of time and
É uma
nitroglycerin.
perda de tempo.
Well, let me know what I can do.
Me diga o que posso
Wonder Wild
fazer.
West story, don't you?
Yes, I do.
All right, get up
Sim,
here.
quero.
Now when I give you the
Ah,
word,
velha
hit
história.
that.
Shatberry.
Whole place is wired.
Black Belle,
Black
got a
Belle.
contract
Olha lá.
here for your life or your liberty. We'd sooner it be liberty.
That's mighty reasonable, mister.
Tanto razoável,
Come
senhor.
here, let me take a look at it.
Me deixe dar uma olhada.
Oh, come on. Stop just there. Now, set it off.
Yeah!
Over here, they're rushing us from the side. Pick that buncher. You won't see 'em fly. Too damn close. We're right here too.
Lady, I can't see you much. Need in my house.
Vai mais
Sugar
um
that
pouquinho, tá
sweet.
certo.
You're lucky I'm on the road. Back to the front. More riders.
Sai daí!
See there? A Gatling. Ooh, that's a gun you fight an army with. Not a goddamn widow. You got a shot on the fender on the crank?
Caramba, velho.
That's all me when all this is done.
The price don't matter if it's idiots chasing it.
Well, at a certain price. It ain't over yet. I guess British heard the hubbub. That one, he's going for the Gatling.
Que confusão do cacete.
Hey, you fire like that, one of us is getting hit. Hey, take out the bullet in the back of that truck.
Olha da morte.
That is some peace and quiet.
I was start on your
Woo!
Conseguimos. Uou!
Is that the last of them?
Yeah.
Os últimos.
You got them scalp
Sim.
hunters off your back
For now.
for now. So,
Por enquanto.
you gonna tell me about
Então
your
vai me contar
Wild
sobre
West
sua vida no
days?
Velho Oeste.
Running with Jim Boy Calloway?
Certo.
Little boy Calloway? The only running he did was away from a fight. And that's
Ah,
about the
foi
end of
fugir da
it.
briga. Esse é o fim da história.
The man's apparently a famous gunslinger.
Yeah, so they say. But,
É, sim, é o que
don't get
dizem,
what's famous
mas não
confused
confunda
with what's
fama com
true.
verdade.
The ones of us that lived that life, we was too busy being scared for our scalp to talk to no newspaper writers or dime novel
Os velhos
men.
pistoleiros, né?
Well, what were they like
E
then?
como era
Those
naquela época?
days they all talk about.
Same as now, I guess. Only longer ago.
Só que há mais tempo.
All right. I'm gonna need your
All right.
picture too, if it ain't a trouble.
No, sir, no
Não
trouble
foi
at all.
problema. Nossa,
Can't be worse than those awful drawings on the wanted
não se
posters.
pior da. É,
Oh, great. Look,
loucura
you
assim,
stand
né?
over there and let me get this thing ready.
Ready?
Ah,
How do you
pronto.
want me? Like this?
I ain't sure.
Ah, mudar
How about
pose.
this then?
Any other ideas?
Well, I can do this. It's a good thing you're quicker with a gun. Come on.
Now, what were you doing before? I ain't sure.
Vamos lá, Chatberry.
How about this then? I'm getting real tired of this.
Ah, essa tá boa.
Okay.
Ok,
Got it.
consegui.
And I guess I'll be on my way.
Here. Well, thank you, Mrs. Bell.
Obrigado, senhora
Gonna be
Barry.
all right?
Oh, been running for 20 years. Suppose I'll be running till I drop. Just the way it is.
Foi
Good luck.
boa sorte. Que confusão, hein? E o pai amado. Onde o meu chapéu voa? Que confusão do caramba. Você vê o legal desse jogo, galera, o quanto que é realista, né, os animais comendo os restos mortais das pessoas. Olha o meu chapéu aqui, voa. Nossa, tomou vários tiros, né, a casa dela. Vamos ver o que tem aqui. Pra saquear. Cartas de cigarros. Jim Boy. Quem que é esse? Emmet Granger. Ah, o pistoleiro que eu peguei primeiro lá. Jim Boy Calloway. Olha o reflexo no jogo, cara. Que da hora, realista. Shine. Legal do Red Dead 2, galera, que a maioria dos lugares que você entra, as coisas são pegáveis, que você consegue pegar. Acho que aqui eu já explorei. Vamos vazar.
Okay, fella.
Vamos pra Rhodes. Tá vindo é chuva.
Hey, hey!
Chuva forte, hein? Opa, tem um homem aqui pendurado. O que aconteceu com ele? Quem que é esse povo? Maluco do banda. Tá desgraçado.
Giddy up.
Os caras é dedo duro aqui nesse jogo, hein? Puta que pariu. Nem fez vocês que eu... Puta que pariu, viu? Esse ali do jogo atrapalha, né?
Hey there, mister. Yeah.
Tem que pagar minha recompensa, hein? Eu já sei, não posso causar confusão aqui em outros.
Welcome back. Well, quite the price tag on little old you.
Lá vai um dinheiro, hein?
Bye.
Shit. I ain't never thought nobody would catch me with that fat lady.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's some no count took the You're a marked man in the state of Lemoyne. Get up there.
Vamos emboscar esse desgraçado.
Yours for us to ask questions.
Seus desgraçados. Seus merda. Saqueadores de merda.
Here.
Ô, droga, acerta a mim, cara. Merda.
Easy there. Rest here, boy.
Pô, esse jogo tá travando, peguei o leão.
So, I met this strange couple.
Pretty good.
Pig farmers, they was.
Okay.
They said they had a new friend in for a meal. Sounded an awful lot like you.
Really?
Sounds like you had yourself a fun old time.
Valeu, Bill.
All right, well, I should be getting on.
Okay, then.
You okay? Hello?
Galera, eu vou reiniciar o jogo, tem alguma coisa errada. Só por quê? Peraí. Certo, mulher, se ela fosse mais nova, se tivesse procurando uma mulher para sair para matar comigo, que dupla a gente seria. Ela me disse que o velho Boy Calloway era um charlatão e mentiroso, que surpresa. Eu vou reiniciar o jogo, porque tem alguma coisa errada aqui. Peraí que eu já volto um instante. Voltei aqui. Vamos voltar aqui. Vamos carregar um jogo aqui. Legal o jogo.
Good morning.
Então, não é isso aqui que eu tô, irmãos.
Morning, Arthur.
Hey there.
Não é Salve, é o Leandro, né? Ai, ai, caramba, onde que tá isso aqui?
How are you doing? Here, here. Good for you.
É, vou olhar.
How are you?
Not good. You didn't make
Haven't received anything from you in a while, Mr. Morgan. All right, here's... Joe, might as well make some money off it.
Vamos salvar o Trewlany logo. Ei, Dutch, o que você quer?
What now? You sweating yet, Dutch? Of course I'm sweating. We're in some disease-ridden, swampy, Dixie
Mágico nas horas vagas.
I meant about what Trewlany said about these bounty hunters. Not sweating as such, but maybe a
Não estou
little
zoando
devil
esse.
perspiration. Until we know more, ain't too much harm in wasting good liquor on sweating. So, So,
Então,
I think you should pay Mr. Trewlany a visit and find out exactly
o que ele
what
sabe,
he knows
quem falou.
and who he spoke to. Take Charles with you.
Leve o Charles
The
com você.
sight of the pair of you would make a statue sing out its secrets. Okay.
Ok.
Charles, I need you for some business in town. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, Charles.
Okay, fella.
O que o Trewlany tá correndo? Até localizar tanto o Trewlany.
I'm sorry, boy.
Where are we going?
Dutch wants us to have a
Dutch quer que a gente fale com o Trewlany.
about these bounty hunters who are coming for us.
Lá está a gente.
Hoping he can tell us who they are or where they're coming from.
Okay. And you're deputy.
Ok, vocês são oficiais agora?
Something like that.
Algo do tipo.
Soon as we laid eyes on that fool of a sheriff who runs that town, I knew Dutch was gonna play him like a fiddle.
On the
Podia
run from
manipular
one
ele.
to law
Ah,
firm, working
xerife
for
idiota,
another.
né?
Interesting.
Hiding in plain sight, Dutch calls it.
So, spirits seem good. In the new camp, I mean.
We got some space between us and that mess now. I ain't seen no more Pinkertons for a while. There's these bounty hunters, of course, but Dutch don't seem too worried about it.
Can't believe they're still coming after us. We didn't even get away with the money.
Yeah, but they don't
Money.
know that.
Of course. Trewlany. I've only met him a couple times.
Trewlany, eu me reencontrei com ele
he's a
algumas vezes, mas
strange
ele é bem estranho. Trewlany volta a recrutar ele, né?
Fear not. He's just a cockroach in fancy britches. But he gets into nooks and crannies the rest of us can't. We just need to find
É,
him before he scurries off again.
só temos que achar ele antes que suma de novo. Eu acho o Trewlany. Olha a caravana do Trewlany aqui.
Someone got here first.
So it seems.
By the looks of things, it wasn't a social call.
Aí tava acomodado aqui o Trewlany.
Gone.
This food's barely touched. Looks like he left in a hurry.
What do you think?
Bed's not made, so he must have been here recently.
Isso. É certificado da empresa de mineração Tacitus Cobre. Empresa de mineração Tacitus. Certifica-se que é titular das ações da empresa supracitada, sujeito ao disposto do estatuto social no memorando que a soma de $1 foi paga em cada uma das ações mencionadas.
Big struggle. Pretty
There's
recently,
some
I'd
blood
say.
here.
I guess maybe
That ain't
12
good.
hours ago.
For nobody?
Not yet. We should get going.
Idiot.
They went down the path here. How's your tracking these days?
All right, I guess.
Alright, I guess.
Lead the way then.
Not the kind of place I'd expect to see Trewlany staying in. Normally scams himself into the best hotel in town.
Vamos seguir os rastros aqui.
When me and Javier went down with Trewlany to get Sean, after the bar fight, I swear, he talked the whole way and never actually said a damn thing.
I thought you knew. That's his special talent. They could be 20 miles away by now.
We can track them that far if we need to. Depends on how much you want to find them.
Yeah. I still ain't sure about that.
See? They must have crossed over the tracks. These tracks lead into the forest. Here.
Seguir os rastros.
Hey, look. Let's go see what those fellas have to say.
Arthur, where are you going?
Yeah. You seen him? We're looking for our friend.
I
Nosso
don't
amigo.
think he's here.
You seen a strange sort of feller? Sort of formal?
Strange. Sure. Formal. Nah.
He uses a cane. Looks a lot like this one.
Mas muito como esta.
All right, you two. Where the hell is... You both better get out of here! Come here!
Right?
You stay there.
Where
Leva o caçador de
is
recompensa.
Trewlany?
I don't know anything.
Tell me where he is.
You go to hell.
Better tell me now, you son of a bitch.
Okay, okay, for Christ's sake. I took him to a cabin over by the cornfields.
Which cornfields?
Left.
Faz plantações.
There by Braithwaite Manor.
You cracked his head. All right. That should do it.
Ah. Alright. Nossa, o guarda foi um
Come on, let's go.
Oh. Follow me. I think there's a way around so we don't have to go through the Braithwaite's place.
Ok, Charles, você sabe o caminho, vamos lá.
I spent enough time there. After you, then.
You okay?
I'm good.
What do you think they want with Trewlany?
Could be any one of 100 things.
Tem uma centena de
Just
coisas.
depends if any of them involve us.
You think he'll talk?
Of course he'll talk. He'd sell his own sister to save a train fare.
Economizar a
He
passagem
don't
de
know
trem.
how not to talk.
Será que ele vai estar com a boca
You
nos
don't know
dedos
where
onde
we're
está
holed up, though.
a gangue
At
Dutch?
least I don't think he does.
I don't know why Dutch still deals with him. Always disappearing for weeks on end.
He's got his uses, and,
Tem sua
well,
utilidade. E bom, lealdade é importante pro Dutch.
Of course. But is Trewlany
Of
loyal?
course. Mas o Trewlany é leal?
kind of. I guess
Mais ou
Trewlany
menos.
ain't exactly
Depende da negociação que ele vai coisar, né?
disloyal. Just got a big mouth. Don't worry. If he
Não se
talks,
preocupe, se ele falou, eu
I'll
vou descobrir o que
goddamn
foi que ele
find out what he said.
É, isso aqui, galera, nessa missão são ordens do Dutch, né? O Dutch tá preocupado que o Trewlany tá com a língua nos dentes, né? Então vai recrutar ele pra gangue. Normal.
Nothing's ever straightforward where Trewlany's involved. Learn that much.
I mean, how much time have we wasted getting this fool out of trouble?
He somehow manages to be both lucky and unlucky at the same time.
That's one way of looking at it.
But he always finds some way to pay us back. Just when we think about cutting him loose, he brings us something big. I guess that's his special talent, keeping fish on the line.
Ah, nas plantações estavam fazendo os Resgate, né?
That must be it.
Easy.
Let's get you out of here. Come on, boy.
The thing is, after that attack,
Ó, o Trewlany,
remember like a good time.
tá pegando ele, batendo nele. Guarda os homens, cavaleiros. Caçador de recompensa.
Left a lot of
I think so.
so you're alive.
Allegedly.
Então você tá vivo. Eles não vão ver muito tempo. Pega eles, Arthur. Eu posso lidar com isso.
Who knows what he told him? Let's get after those sons of bitches.
They've gone into the cornfields. We need to flush them out. Did you see those birds?
Ele tá no milharal,
Come on
né?
there, Arthur.
Ah, vou expulsar assim, calma aí.
We need to find these bastards.
Where the hell are they?
Peguei um já.
They're gonna get away. Let's find them.
Got it! Sons of bitches!
Estamos na fazenda Resgate.
I think there's one over here. Look at the birds. Go that way.
God damn these sons of bitches. Charles?
Ah, pegamos mais um.
Over there, where the birds are.
Vou pegar com as duas pistolas do lendário Calloway.
His gear. Look around. He can't have gone far.
Vamos ver então o que é.
You see anything? Keep looking, Arthur. You must be close. Keep searching. He's around somewhere.
Ah, ele me pegou, desgraçado.
He's mine! Let me take him. Get out of here.
You have a friend.
He's not your friend. I'll give you money.
Be quiet.
Pegou uma faca boa, Charles.
You should have taken the money.
I know. I'm a fool. Shit.
Thank you.
Of course. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Obrigado, Charles.
Gunshots are coming from that bar!
He's backing up inside! Get after him! There he is! Take him out! I got you now!
I'll bring you sons of bitches! Come on, you bastard!
Isso, Arthur.
Good. He should be the last of them.
All right, let's go back for Trewlany. You all right?
Yeah. Never goes easy, does it?
Sure don't. Come on, let's go see how badly they beat up the slippery feller.
I wonder how much trouble he's brought with him.
Guess we'll soon find out.
Seems like we can't catch a break now, Arthur.
Acho que não tem
But I
mais
can tell
sossego.
this, Tom. We got out of worse scrapes than this one.
So I heard.
Sure. What's government agents and bounty hunters to what?
I hope you're right.
novo rico. Caraca, velho. Vamos lá, o Charles.
Mr. Trewlany, where are you?
Aqui, meu caro rapaz.
Well, you're still here at least. Put your feet up, why don't you? You okay?
Never fine.
So,
Nunca estive melhor.
They were bounty hunter
Tem caçador de recompensa.
attached to Cole Stoudemire.
okay.
Algum estou Mary.
Looking for me. Say.
Exatamente não.
Not much. I
Não muito.
told them I
Já
was
eles que eram
an
intelectual.
intellectual. Come down here from Oregon.
Do Oregon
For a
até aqui.
job at university. Of course, they didn't believe me.
Aham, sei.
Seems you stirred up quite a hornet's nest in Black
Gente mining bons em Black Belle.
Keep hearing.
It might be
Não
best
paro.
if I stay with you
Talvez seja
gentlemen
melhor eu ficar
for
um
a
tempo
while.
com vocês, cavaleiros.
Can't go back to that caravan now.
All right, Charles, you take Trewlany
Charles,
back
leva
to
o Trewlany
camp.
de
I'll
volta
catch
ao
up with
acampamento.
you. Okay.
Ok.
There always seems to be more and more.
Tem mais e mais
Civilization.
civilização.
I want to get back in the open country of the West, or what's left of it, but even that ain't the way I remember it.
Isso aí. Parte.
How are you, boy?
Mágico nas horas várias.
That thing was scary. Well, it was.
Olha o cara só vê da cobra.
Hey, Brandon, remember me?
Hey,
This here's the feller. The one that found me.
This fella? You let him suck on your leg?
I will owe you a whole lot. No lie. But, let me buy you something from the store. Whatever you want, it's on me.
okay. Appreciate it.
Ok, eu agradeço.
What can I do for you?
The guy with the snake bite says I can put something here on his tab.
That fool? Jesus. If it's not one thing, it's another with him. But he pays his owe, so who am I to argue? Let me know what you choose. I'll add it to his list. I'll let him know. You're paying next time, though.
O único capilar pagou pra mim, então já peguei.
Pick something up on your tab. Thanks again. Look to you.
Couldn't bear to be away from me, huh? Oh, that's the whole range. All right. Something else you're after? Bye.
You okay, boy?
Vamos ver agora aqui onde que tá. Ah, Tarja dos Muebles, a nova gangue da região aqui, né? Parece um.
Easy, easy.
Vou salvar o jogo, né? Óbvio. Ah, mas aqui eu já. Onde tá o espelho aqui da namora? Vamos ver. V. Ah, é aqui, ó. Tá ruim, é? Pegar animais aumenta o nível de olhos da morte. Ah, aqueles cultos malucos.
Oh, Jesus! Too damn fool! Look what you did! Oh, Lord!
Carta para o pai que ele faz. Não muito ter carta tão furiosa, mas tenho que pedir desculpas. Pois a maior questão é que você está errado, sem querer ofender. Mas para que fique bem claro, isso não é uma posição. Lamento, temos que nos separar dessa forma. loucura. Queriam pôr fogo em vocês aqui. Quieto.
It's okay, boy. Yep.
Que loucura, hein? Uhum.
Get in. You okay, boy?
Vamos lá, vamos lá. O espelho da morte tá aqui, né? Peraí, peraí.
Slow it up. Yep.
Nossa casa tá toda abandonada. Nossa. Sede Rússia. O que tá escrito aqui? Carta do Carefield para Martha. Minha querida Martha, sinto tanto a sua falta, a vida faz sentido quando estamos juntos. Quando me analisei, parece que minha vida já se passou. Agora não posso acreditar que era um princípio, apesar que eu morreria. Já vi muitos homens com os quais eu cresci morrendo. Por eles, por seu orgulho, coisa muito além tudo que eu quis. Pensei muitas vezes em fugir, mas o general Harris começou a fugilar de certuras. Nossa moral está quase esgotada e as Yankees são fortes demais. É de 1864. Mas John Smith reclamando de general Harris no rancho, nos oficiais. Nos outros confia mais. Espero que eu não morra, mas por eu dar a mínima para mim mesmo, mas por causa da tristeza que ela fosse sinto sua falta. Sinceramente, Garfield. Então, essa senhora. Joias. Espelho de bolso. Ah, registro atualizado, mole. Espelho que a mole pediu. Vamos sair daqui. Vamos pra Margaret. Começar a missão.
Let's go, boy. Yep.
Vamos pra lá então. Vamos lá. Fazer aquela missão da Margaret lá.
I'm leaving. Calm down. Get out of here. That's right. Keep going. You've been warned now.
Toma no seu cu, rapaz. Inspecionar a árvore. O que aconteceu aqui? Árvore distorcida. Tinha alguma coisa valiosa aqui pra... Opa, tinha sim. Tinha muitas coisas de valor aqui. Uma casinha que ele tava protegendo aqui, então.
Time to go, boy. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy, whoa.
Puta-se o pé, vamos examinar o que é isso. Framboesa vermelha, da hora.
Yep.
E o folha. O que é aqui que tá o Margarete pegar?
You're a good boy.
Olha lá o animal.
Look here. What they done to you?
Uma zebra com cavalo? Ou uma mula?
Yeah. Come here. Come here. Hey, hey. These stripes better not rub off on my pants. Slow up now.
Ó, a zebra.
Whoa there. Easy. Wait. Yep. Here. Hey, hey. Yeah. Easy.
O filho da mãe de mula.
Easy. There. Easy. Yeah. Gotcha. Hey now. Come on now. Easy. Gotcha. Let's go. Ah!
Uma mula. Caraca.
There we go.
Margarete, o que você quer? Cada uma, viu? Arthur indo de bola de mula.
Go, come on. Whoa. Settle down, boy.
Toma, Margarete.
Grief! You found him! Our zebra!
Well, you can call him that. Although he's as much a zebra as you are a lady animal.
Zebra é quando você é uma tomadora de
You're missing the
animais.
point, aren't you? It's an illusion. A trick of the
É uma
eye to
ilusão.
bamboozle the senses. Confound comprehension.
Hoodwink your audience?
E tapear seu público.
Our audiences? Dear boy, don't be so dreadfully literal. No one will pay for the truth. They only pay for deception. The allure of the
Deception.
stage, dreams and reality. Ah. What is the greater conjuring trick?
Qual é o maior truque de
Pursuing some
ilusionismo?
poor beast on the plains of Mumbo Jumbo Land.
Ai,
Shipping his
ficar
hair
esse cara
so
maluco,
it
hein?
can dance
Margarete.
the polka. Or turning there in the glare of those arc lamps, something mundane into something extraordinary. It's the difference between prose and poetry. It's alchemy. We're selling dreams, dear boy.
Well, as long as you
Ih,
don't pay
peidou.
attention to your show.
Yes, well,
O
it's not
espetáculo,
everyone's
assim, bom, não é todo mundo
Speaking
que
of
gosta.
payment,
Of course, of course.
E por falar
I
no
shall
meu...
make it
Ai,
real.
Crawler, forte, Margarete.
First, we shall need the whole menagerie back before we can think about that.
Todos os animais antes que
My
possamos
assistant's
pensar
gone
nisso.
for the tiger.
Pessoa que me ajuda por...
And taken out the
Tigre,
remaining lion
sim,
in
sim.
case it could lend a paw. They're down there on Caligo Way.
Eu estou na Via
I
Gáliga,
hate
por
to
favor.
ask.
Eu detesto ter que pedir.
see what I can
Tá bom, vou ver o que posso fazer. Só podia ser britânico, parte 2.
Just down on Caligo Way, old boy. Won't be able to miss them.
Isso é uma zebra? Ah, caraca, cada um. É uma mula. Vou voltar pro acampamento.
Let's show them how free men do something. Son of a bitch.
Vou ter emboscado nesses canais.
Yep.
What the hell?
Eles não gostam de rivalidade nessas bandas. Já não basta a primeira emboscada e já pegaram eu na segunda agora.
Who goes there? It's me. Wondered when you roll back in. Okay. Good work, pal.
Tem muita coisa pra fazer no acampamento aqui.
My lady.
Mr. Morton.
Hi, Arthur.
Hey, Charles. Got hold
Calma,
of
Charles.
Foley, eh?
Seu Leandro.
Good. I'll make some arrows for you later and leave them by your tent.
Thank you. I never been. Dance with me.
He could read and write, and he never worked in the field. He was educated. It was hard to say. They were tuners. Couldn't nobody like them. Not the whites and not the blacks. He was smart, my father. I loved him. He taught me how to read. He taught me to judge people for what they are, not how you look. One thing he couldn't teach me was how not to care. Some drunks
You okay?
picked on him. Hello, sir. And they beat him. He killed him, so I was 15 at the time. I stole a gun. And I shot him. Then it was me, so I went on a run. I ran right till I bumped into
Olha só.
Just for a minute.
Ó, claro. Ah. Carrie.
This is nice. Just like being a normal girl.
Oh, being normal's good, is it?
No. But aspects of it is. That's the problem.
Ah, aquele tá dançando. Que da hora, cara. Isso aqui eu não vi. É tanta coisa que acontece no acampamento que durante todos esses anos é a primeira vez que eu vejo dançar assim embaixo.
Well, thank you, Mr. Vanderlyn.
My pleasure, Miss Grimshaw. Yeah, still got it.
Hey, Arthur.
Hi, Molly.
Hey, Arthur.
Vou descansar. Eu tô precisando tomar um banho primeiro, né?
This sulking, it's becoming very tiresome.
Everything's tiresome to you these days. You've barely touched me in weeks.
What do you want from me?
To be treated with some respect and affection. All them out there, they're laughing at me.
You think this is the way to
Molly.
a man's affection? Moping and pestering all the damn day?
Oh, I can do a lot worse than that.
Is that a threat? Another great way to a man's affection.
Oh, shut up.
Gladly.
Nossa, Molly e o Touch não estão indo mais bem. Vamos descansar, galera. Outro dia de atividades. Eu vi o Charles, fomos procurar o Trewlany que estava em Rhodes. Por uns caçadores de recompensa. A situação ficou tensa e ele foi tratado muito mal. Em todo lugar que a gente vai tem mais e mais civilização. Talvez vai ser assim daqui pra frente, vamos ver, eu acho.
You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do. Good morning, Arthur. Another day and we're still alive. Of course we are. Miss O'Shea.
Hi.
Toma o seu espelho.
A new mirror. Hopefully some better luck.
Oh, thanks, Arthur. I have something you might like. I'll leave it by your tent later.
You all right, Molly?
Bored?
Hello, ladies.
Hi there.
Vamos trabalhar um pouco, levar um fardo pros cavalos.
Don't want the horse's belly aching.
Estou Trewlany, depois eu faço a próxima parte.
Hey, fire's good and hot, Mr. Morgan. Morning.
Good morning, Arthur.
Hang in there. We're on the up.
I know.
There he is.
Good morning,
Hello, ladies.
Morning.
Vamos fazer essa missão do hoje, o Josiah.
Well done, Mr. Morgan. Thank you, Arthur.
Vamos fazer essa missão principal. Os caçadores de limões estão atrás de mim, cara. Vamos fazer essa última missão de hoje. Vamos lá na propriedade Trewlany, que é.
This ain't how it looks. I can't believe that worked.
Yeah? You even know what you're doing?
I know how to take care of myself, partner. So, what's your plan anyway?
Plan not to get caught.
Fugitivos.
Shut up, hurry up.
It ain't my problem. Let's go, boy.
Let's go, boy.
Get up.
Vamos para Rhodes primeiro. De novo esse cara.
Hey, mister.
Fine morning.
You know what? I'm feeling good today.
That's nice.
Lost a goddamn war. Lost my sweetheart, cholera, and my leg was goddamn...
Interested in a good read? Thanks. Have a great day. Rose, don't want to miss this.
Vamos ver o que está escrito nas notícias do jornal. Conflito no limite. Tiroteio sangrento entre famílias. Suspeita de tráfico de moonshine. Mortes moribundos na rua. Rhodes. Foi recebida a notícia aqui hoje de uma intensificação de conflito de décadas entre os Greys e Trewlany.
This is the result. Here I am begging. Hey, if we'd have won, I'd have folks I could whip right now. Take care of my...
Esse mendigo.
Morning.
Hey! Hey, it's good to see you again, friend.
Cheguei de novo, amigo.
What you doing here?
O que você tá fazendo aqui?
Visiting old friends, I guess.
Well, you better get out of here. There's a bunch of government agents.
E monte de agentes do governo.
You all across town. Yeah, them and a bunch of bounty hunters too, I think.
That's so.
Yeah. Yeah, but you don't seem too scared.
Guess not.
Well, they seem pretty mad.
Agente do governo.
What'd you do?
Nothing good.
Well, you better get out of here.
Okay there?
Fine morning today.
Vamos ver o outro artigo. Prisioneiro foge. Assassino estava preso a ser enforcado. Autoridade de Clanberry mortos em tiroteio e luta. Habitante de Clanberry com medo. Estátua de Quinch violada. Maravilhosa moderna vapor. Corno. Henry Jenks. Ângelo Pronte oferece condolências. Suspeita de crime. Ângelo Pronte. Com hienas ou cães. Habitante de Saint-Denis. Agora no Texas. A maioria dos ex-soldados renegados criminosos o saqueador Lemon fugiu para o Texas após diversos confrontos com o governo e autoridades, pregando sua doutrina anti-governo e anti-impostos. A milícia brigou não passou os limites de anos, roubando funcionários do governo e instituições civis. Após algumas derrotas, os saqueadores de Lemon fugiram para áreas do Texas, onde já estão sendo exterminados. Milagres, buscando. Assaltantes fogem e queimam o chão em busca. Uma carroça de mantimento operada pela indústria Cornwall foi emboscada no sul de Scarlet Meadows. Ah, foi nós que roubamos. Abandonem a carroça. Eles fugiram imediatamente com veículos roubados. Em meio a um forte tiroteio, os saqueadores cintearam um celeiro. Os criminosos fugiram para a floresta ao sul e as autoridades vasculharam a área para determinar o paradeiro deles. Instituição de Valentine e recuperação. Ladrões arrombam os cofres.
My best friend. He left me. I lost him. I lost him. Someone must have seen an Englishman. Really funny he is.
Morning to you.
Have you seen Gavin?
You still haven't found him?
No, but I won't give up. He's lost. One morning, I just woke up and he wasn't there. Someone must have taken it.
Maybe he just left.
Gavin?
Gavin.
No. No. We were best mates. I mean, really, best mates. He'd never leave me.
Gavin.
Gavin! I am so worried. Gav!
Quem é esse amigo, Gavin?
Gav! Gav! Where are you? Where are you?
Boa sorte na sua procura eterna aí, colega. Amigo do Kevin. Tem uma missão aqui também no Red Dead 2. Onde que é aqui? Pera aí, galera.
Yep. Hey, hey!
Vamos dormir até a tarde, né? Vamos alimentar o Arthur. Essa porcaria aqui no meio.
How do you do, sir?
Oh, heavens. Sir, welcome back.
Vamos pra missão lá então. Pra última.
Come on now, boy. Easy now. Yep.
Oh, fazendo Braithwaite.
Easy. Whoa.
O que o Josiah e o Sam estão fazendo aqui?
Howdy! Hi there, mister. Hey, fellas. I have a meeting with Mrs. Braithwaite. My associates are already here.
All right, that's enough. Move along now.
Hey, friend.
Meus sócios já estão aqui.
Hello.
Legal, fazendo a Braithwaite. Legal, mansão Braithwaite.
Is everything all right, sir?
Aqui, senhor.
A gentleman to see you, ma'am.
So, your friend, the other liquor vendor.
Oh, friend.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Olá, senhora.
Bem-vindo,
Bem-vindo, Arthur. Estávamos jogando cartas. Senhora Catherine Braithwaite, é um prazer rever a senhora.
So this one, he is big and as dumb as he looks?
É tão grande e burro como parece.
Big, but his intelligence is a matter of some conjecture. Some say he is as dumb as he looks, but I think, well, he's not quite that dumb.
So these are the boys going to Caliga Hall?
Yes.
Para a fazenda Caliga, sim, podemos cuidar disso para você.
Of course, there is the question of money.
Oh, we've got money, Mr. Matthews.
Paper, bonds, metal.
She ain't gonna pay you in a certified check, you Yankee numbskull.
Ain't childbirth just the most
O
beautiful
nascimento de uma
miracle?
criança.
Seems a lady can birth monkeys, after all.
Can I drive?
No.
Não. Vamos fazer essa missão então.
Are we going then? Sometime today would be nice, Morgan. Oh, you wanted to drive.
Peraí, Sam.
Ready? Let's get out of here.
You was quiet in there.
Look, everything I had.
Fiz uma força enorme.
I'll shove that silver
Botei
spoon
enfiar o
down
purse.
his throat and pull it clean out of his arse. The smug fucker.
Okay.
Ó, vamos levar o Moonshine lá
What's she
pra...
got us doing at the grave?
Que ela vê que nós roubamos, né, o
She watched
Moonshine.
us torture tobacco fields. Said they ain't had rain in weeks round here.
What?
Yeah, using that back there.
Moonshine?
Burns faster than kerosene, that stuff. Said it'd be fitting, she did. All I'm thinking is how about I try fitting my boot up your hook now, just snotty old bitch.
Josiah really
Oh,
picked the
shine.
right
Josiah
fella
escolheu a
to be
pessoa
the
certa.
banner, didn't he?
Ah, he was giving it his usual flannin'.
One of these families got gold stashed somewhere, he reckons. I mean, I'm all for sticking it to rich folks.
Eu quero mais que os ricos se danem.
There'll be some bloody money at the end of all this.
Josiah knows what he's doing.
Does he, though? The master finagler of nothing.
Easy, easy.
Easy, calma, calma.
Destroyed the Braithwaite still. Tried to sell the shine back to them.
Tentamos vender um moonshine.
Fool's errand, which I'm very
Estamos
much
fazendo
looking forward to,
esse
by
mal
the way.
posso.
They was saying old man Gray's double security
É,
after
Gray
that business
dobrou
at
a
the saloon.
segurança depois daquele negócio do salão.
We're just gonna drive on in there. Is that it?
Don't worry.
Agora a gangue Dutch tá no meio da guerra entre as duas famílias. Literalmente.
I got a plan. Wagons go in and out of there all the time with supplies, equipment, payroll. Especially now they've taken on all that extra muscle. We're making a delivery. That's all. Just leave it to me. I can talk a dog
Deixa eu
off a
ficar
big
numa
wagon.
carroça de carne.
All right then.
Vamos fazer isso mesmo, vamos invadir a fazenda Cala e Carral. Põe a moonshine lá pra eles tomarem.
Oh, pretty transport there, friend. Get out of the way. Whoa, hold up a second. Are you not worried about them Greys, English?
Excuse me?
You not
Como é que
worried
é?
about them Greys?
In what sense?
Well, they knows you.
Yeah, maybe you're right. You know what? Here.
Então é uma coisa, vamos
I'll go
esconder
out and
atrás.
back. If you can act naturally and stop us from getting into
É,
a
bom
fight
se esconder,
before we're
Arthur.
ready.
I will try.
Yes. Try and do an impression of a human being.
I'm not going to go that far.
Isso já é pedir demais.
Yep. We're here. Stay out of sight. I'll do the talking.
Hold it right there.
Chegamos.
What you want, boy?
There was a thing at the saloon.
What you talking about?
Well, I'm delivering the supplies.
You're not the usual driver.
You want a bottle, friend? Here.
Amigo, aqui ó,
Have a
garrafa.
wee drop. I'm new. I mean you no harm. I've come from Donegal, in Ireland.
You don't say.
Yeah. They said you'd understand.
Oh, moonshine.
Some kind of incident at the saloon in town. I was told to bring this up here. Ask no questions, I'll tell you no lies. Sort of business. Before the
Oh, o cara vai
officials got
subir
there,
junto.
they said.
Okay. Drive this way. I'll show you how to get there.
Oh, thank you, friend. Have a drink, Sean.
Cham, olha lá. O Cham inventou uma desculpa, né?
Hamish.
Good to meet you, Hamish.
Hamish. Ah, o Cham tá fingindo ser Hamish.
Got here. Not as fine as Connemara, but fine nonetheless.
My people come from Scotland.
Is that right? And you and I are nearly brothers.
Tá cheio de moonshine. Vai cá, põe a fogo nas plantações, é isso mesmo? Tá pago?
It's
O
getting
algodão.
so I can barely keep track of all these deliveries coming in.
Yeah, and they said they was looking for more drivers in town. I jumped at the chance. I never been a feller to kick a bit of honest work out of bed. So, you folks been having a hard time of it, have you?
Yeah, Mr. Gray's got a heap of problems right now with another family around here.
Uma outra família. Bando de
Band
vagabundo avarento.
Disgusting.
É, outra família, o Sr. Gray, né?
Sorry to hear that, Hamish. Sounds
Hamish.
like you definitely
Você
deserve
merece
that
essa
drink.
bebida aí.
You don't know the half of it. Just in there.
Right there.
Tá certo.
You can unload it here. In here? Oh, the horse is like a swift one, do they?
Os cavaleiros querem gole?
Nothing. It's grand. Quite a place you boys have got here. Reminds me of one of them big houses out in Donegal. Real fancy places they was, Hamish. Real fancy. Because if some folks got all the money, they can build quite the fanciest places imaginable, Well, the average man sups on shite, yeah? Okay, Come on, Arthur. What are you playing at?
I was enjoying the monologue. I'm glad I'm not your brother.
Where?
Let's get on with this.
I'm not the one who was dawdling. Can't be the dead man's hat. Okay. We can hold up in here till it gets dark.
Vamos lá. Anoiteceu, hein?
Good. Nearly got these things ready.
Okay.
Cadê meu chapéu?
There's plenty of guards out there. Here's how I feel we should deal with things. You head over to the dry barn.
Sure. And you?
I'm gonna deal with the fields themselves. We coat everything in moonshine, and then we light things up with these little
botamos fogo em
fellas here.
tudo, vai. Sam.
Thankfully, it ain't rained.
Tem
And that old
chovido.
barn over there
E aquele
screwed like
celeiro
a
velho vai
torch.
queimar igual uma fogueira.
How many of these boys you think you need?
Eles vão pôr fogo em tudo.
Let's head out the back. Look, once they get wind of us, there'll be no turning back, so move quickly.
Of course. I'm rebel stock, boy. I was born burning down manor houses.
We'll burn quietly.
Então é moonshine, igual qualquer até molotov. A gente vai colocar fogo.
Oh, hey. I thought the wagon already arrived. This one didn't. Strange. So, what you got there? Tools, payroll? Okay. Drop it by the supply shed at the back of the fields.
O segurança tá fazendo.
See you later. You hear that? Payroll.
Yeah. Let's get this job done first, okay?
Just let me deal with our friend here. Come on. You douse the fields. I'll meet you at the barn.
Try to stay out of trouble.
Christ, I'm bored.
That's good.
As plantações de algodão aqui, coisa, tabaco, né?
That's good for here. That should do it. Should be enough for here.
Tem que tomar cuidado com os guardas. Isso aqui vai dar uma bela queima nas plantações, hein? Vai dar uma bela queima, hein? Isso aqui vai dar uma bela queima nas
For Christ's sake.
Vê se não é o meu chapéu, mas vai. Meu chapéu tava aqui, cadê? Vamos ver se tem alguma coisa aqui. Tem ferro velho pro sapateiro do cavalo aqui. Esqueci o nome, ferrolho, eu acho, alguma coisa assim.
Every time.
Or you can just a quick dousing as well. Think she'll go, Arthur? Light her up. Come on, you must have something with a flame, right?
Vamos pôr fogo em tudo.
Would you look at that? Now let's go light ourselves a fat cigar. You ain't leaving here. We'll hold this lot off. You get going to this property going. Come on, throw another one. You should all know something. Grab some horses from the stable. Come on.
Not right now. We got company. Look out.
Stay with me.
Nossa, agora pegou fogo, hein? Não sabia nem o que usar de tio.
This is a goddamn mess.
Next one, done. The wagon we saw come in earlier. We can nick the horses from that.
Tô no meio do fogo cruzado.
This way. Let's go. Shit. More of the bastards. More guard coming in. Right way, come on. This is your mate.
Que loucura!
Tell you there'd be an army of them?
They didn't tell me nothing.
Que loucura!
Down this way.
Josiah better get us paid real well for this.
Bloody right.
You're done now.
Puta portinha eles estão fazendo isso. Meu Deus do céu, que loucura!
There it is. Maybe they haven't unloaded that cash yet.
those horses.
Well, let's see if the payroll is actually in there.
Hurry up.
Oh boy, we did good, Morgan. We did good.
Great, but let's go.
Looky there, you get them horses free, Marker. Come on.
Okay, let's get the hell out of here, fast.
You right, follow me.
Vamos, 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 vamos.
Oh man, up ahead.
Tem que atravessar aqui no meio mesmo, meu.
We're going straight out the front gate.
Tá pegando fogo na fazenda, bicho.
Jesus, that turned into a right party.
You call that a party?
That Braithwaite had got our money's worth, all right.
Let's just get out of here first.
Oh, first. Que loucura.
I think we lost them.
That we did.
Quite a night.
Sure.
Interesting little fight Dutch has put us into the middle of here.
I hope him and Josiah are right and that
Eles
there's some
estejam
money at
certos
the
que
end
haja
of it.
algum dinheiro no fim
Well,
disso.
what now?
Head on back to camp.
You coming?
Sure.
Claro, vamos voltar juntos. Vamos voltar juntos pro acampamento.
Here we are. Home sweet home.
Lar do outro lar. E o cavalo roubado, né? Depois de um trabalho exaustivo, né?
Things all right?
Not too bad.
That's good.
Bom, galera, a gente vai descansar. Já fizemos muita coisa hoje. Um progresso considerável. Esperar aqui descansar o Arthur. Faz 3 horas de gameplay, já é um horário considerável. Fazer a barba. A próxima missão, parte, eu vou focar nas missões secundárias. Vou até trocar de roupa aqui, quarto. É uma roupa nova.
Looking good, Belle.
Hello, Arthur.
Vamos explorar um pouco o acampamento aqui e terminar de jogar poker, né?
You awake?
You joining us here, Arthur?
You ain't out of it again, are you?
I resent the accusation, Mr. Morgan.
Poker, anyone? Count me in.
Come in.
If we had a couple of ice-cold beers, it'd be perfect.
Boy, I can just about feel my father's eyes on the back of my head for playing this.
A próxima vez nós não vamos focar na história principal não, eu vou, acho, focar nas missões secundárias. Já fizemos muita coisa hoje. Dá pra explodir coisa.
Here.
Careful,
Let's work
money
with
bags. Yep.
Good.
Good.
Y'all watching?
Ah, that's all mine now.
This is... damn.
I don't know.
All mine.
Pearson ganhou, hein?
Yeah. I'll, check.
Acho que vou ficar só 10 minutos aqui jogando.
No.
All right, just this.
Sure. I'll check.
Check.
Here. Just a little.
Here.
Well, ain't you exciting?
Get your hankies, fellas.
Here. Good. Really
Ganhou,
good.
empate. É um empate, primeira vez, nossa. O poker.
Yep, there.
Você dividiu o pote. Ah, já tem que conseguir um objeto para ganhar mais sorte. Vou pesquisar com certeza depois.
Man, gotta play it safe.
I know you got something real good.
All right, just this.
Come on. Should you even be playing?
No. All right, coming through. Shoot. Okay.
Shoot.
It's not luck when you play for it, fellas.
Ah, legal, legal, legal.
Okay.
That's a bluff if ever I seen one.
I'll call.
Let's do it.
Nah.
How about this?
Long way to go on a whole heap of nothing.
That's it?
Dang it.
Good, you're fun.
Fold.
Are we playing or what?
That's bullshit.
Bullshit. Vamos ver, apostar tudo.
Not bad, huh?
I ain't got nothing too impressive.
Looking all right for you.
Ah, não acredito que esse desgraçado ganhou.
Well, that's fair enough.
All this for me?
Well, I think I'm finished here.
Ah, perdi de novo.
Hey, get up.
What the hell?
Dominoes, anyone?
Sure, I got time. Funny, I could have sworn we were in the middle of a game.
Ah, só o Bill saiu daqui.
Josiah, how are you?
Hello, Arthur.
Room here by the fire, Arthur.
Ah, galera, vou salvar aqui o modo história. Deixa eu ver aqui. O jogo já está em quase 50%. Modo história. Os simples prazeres da Paco. Trabalhando como Resgate, o Arthur e Sam vão para fazer cálica com o resto do Moonshine e tendo usar para os campos. Galera, obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado até aqui. A gente continua na próxima parte. O jogo é muito grande.